Hello everyone, this is Rahul. So lots of users are worried with restyle option. For lots of the user, the restyle option is not available for their Instagram account. So I have done a lots of analysis and I have figured out three different ways to use restyle option. So I will show you all three different ways, and out of all three different ways, definitely one will work for you. Let me know in the comment which trick is working for you. So I will show you in my mobile screen. Make sure you watch this video till the end so that at least any one of the option is working for you. So I will show you in my mobile screen. So the first way is you will select any photo in story, and after selecting, here you can see the restyle option is there. So this is a basic way. If this is not available, you go to Instagram chat, any chat, and upload one photo and press and hold on that. So I will upload one photo here. Now I will press and hold for few seconds in this picture. You can see the restyle option is there. And another way is select the photo in story and click on this FX. So after clicking on FX, the page this is opening, this is a restyle page. That's why you are seeing change anything about the photo, change background or anything.